Oh, there he goes. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm back out at Lake Braunig this morning. It's been about, I don't know, like 3-4 weeks since I've been out here fishing. Last time I was out here, I was out with my buddy Ruben. I went out on his boat, and we did all right. We caught a couple that morning.
Pretty close.
Yeah, I thought so too, but then I saw we were on 20 feet. I'm like, there's no way it's the bottom.
You were going down slow, so I thought you had snagged them.
Oh. Ooh. And I haven't been back since. It's either been raining or too windy or too cold. It was nice all week. We had 70-80 degree weather, and of course the morning I get to go fishing, it's 28 degrees, but I decided to come out anyway. It's not cloudy, sky is clear, so hopefully it warms up a little bit throughout the day. So let's see if we can get on some fish. Feels like I got a smaller fish on here. Definitely got a hit. Oh, this came off. Definitely got a hit though. Fish, guys. Oh, it came off. Oh no. Don't tell me it came off. No. Oh, that guy came off. Dang it. Okay, let's keep trying, guys. They're around here. I know they're around here. First one was a short bite. This one was definitely on. Alright, guys, so the wind called for it to calm down this morning. It was only supposed to blow like 5 knots. And it's a little windier than that. As you can see, it's pretty choppy out here. So I'm gonna try and fish a little closer to shore. I don't want to be out in the middle of the water in case it starts picking up a little more. So I'm gonna head back towards shore and maybe cast some lures, and maybe it'll die down a little bit. All right, guys, I'm on a fish here. I'm trying to keep this one on there. Okay, it's like a little guy. It is a little guy. Man, at least it's something. I was starting to get a little worried. That's just a little guy. Let's see if I can get something a little bigger. Let's let this guy go. There he goes. Check, this is the setup I got him on. So I got this this like planer board here, and this dives to about 15 feet. I got about 3 feet of line, and then I got a 3-way swivel, about a foot of line, and a little paddle tail on a bare hook. Then I have like another 3 feet of line, and I have a little lead head with another paddle tail. And this one hit this one. I got a hit on this one earlier, and it bit the tail off, so I swapped it out for a fresh one. And yeah, so I'm gonna keep trying around here. Man, what a difference. A couple hours ago, it was so choppy out here. I almost left the lake. I was actually heading towards the ramp, and I decided to stick it out for a little bit and see if it calms down, and man, I'm glad I did. It's beautiful out here now. It's nice and flat, and I got a fish now. So it didn't get skunked. It was a little guy, but I'm gonna keep trying and catch something decent. All right, well, I'm headed back to the dock now. Couldn't find them, but I'm glad I stuck around and decided to wait out the wind a little bit, and I was able to get at least one. So hopefully I can get out next weekend. So far the weather's looking good, so see you then.